Welcome back to another Cape Coral Fort Myers online tour. Hello everyone. If you are one of my subscribers, I'm sorry I took off the month of December off. I needed some time with my family, but I'm back, and this year it's going to be even bigger than last year. So I'm going to be giving you videos from all over Southwest Florida. Okay, so please, I'm sorry for lacking off a little bit during December, but don't worry, a lot more videos are coming. Okay, here I am in front of one of my wife's new listing. Actually, it's not even listed yet, but by the time I put the video on, it will be listed. I don't have all the information on this home right now because she's working on the paperwork right now and she's putting it into the system. But I wanted to make sure I do the video as quick as possible so I could put it in as quick as possible so you guys get to see the home first. And if you're thinking about buying a home, Gulf access home here in Cape Coral, Southwest Florida area, this will be a good house for you to look at, okay? So let's stop talking and let's start showing, okay? As you can see, very nice neighborhood. You can see over there at the end, they're building a very nice modern home. There's a home next door. It's really nice too with a three-car garage. And on the other side of this, you have an empty lot. And like I said before, this is a 3-2 Gulf access with a pool, okay? So let's take a look at it. The roof, it's brand new. It's just finished putting it on, so that's one thing you don't have to worry about. The AC, it's not brand new, but it's also has been already updated. So it's not an old one. I think it's a couple years old. For more description, and just go in the description below. Hit that full report button. Click on it, and it'll give you all the information. I'm sorry I don't have it with me, but I want to make sure you guys get to see this home first before other people do, okay? So let's continue here. I'm gonna first go around and then we'll go inside. Okay, like I told you before, this side over here, it's an empty lot, Gulf access. Here's your pool cage and area outside. We'll come back when I do the walkthrough through the inside. We'll finish it in the pool, so you'll get to see a closer look. Over here is your wall, seawall. You're gonna walk all the way down. So you get an idea of what it looks like. Check out the view. This is a passing canal, so you have traffic going through here, going back and forth. There's more Gulf access lots to the left side, so so there's a lot of boat passing by. Every once in a while you see a boat passing here. Get up. You have a pretty nice yard, even though you have a pool. Check out the Florida exterminator. This special exterminator over here works for free. Let me get closer. Let's see how close I can get. That's it. I think that's it. Check out how nice. Okay. Let me show you a little bit here of the canal. This home is located in the Southwest Cape Coral. Very convenient location, close to schools. You got the Oasis School, the high school and middle school. Very close by. Okay, let me go the other side. Over here is your old well. This home used to be on well, so now it's in water and sewer. It's your pool equipment. Let me see if I can turn it on so you can get to see the waterfall. Okay, so now when we go through the inside, when we end up in the pool, you'll get to see the waterfall. The pool does have a little waterfall, so it's very nice. So that's why I turned it on for you guys. has a double car garage. That paper that is hanging there, that's the permit for the roof. Like I said, the roof is brand new. It's a 3-dimensional shingle. Okay, now we're gonna go inside. Okay, as we come in, you have a little area here where you can put either a small desk or you could enclose it to make it a closet, whatever you want. You got garden shelves on the top, so you can put some nice decoration up there. And let me stand over here in the corner. It's an open concept. It's very open, high ceilings. Okay, here's your kitchen. With stainless steel appliances. And over here, it's a slider that leads out to the pool. Okay, let me go closer to the kitchen here. So I want to show you the window. This is the nicest place in the home here. When you're washing your dishes, you're looking out to the pool. I don't know if you can see the little cascade in the pool there. And you can see the canal and the boat passing by. So that's really nice that it has that window there. It's nice to have that in the kitchen because, you know, it's something nice that you could be looking at when you're washing your dishes. Okay, over here I'm standing on the other corner of the home so you can see this big room, so you can see the layout. Back there, that door that you see over there, that's your laundry room. It does not come with a washer dryer, but it has all the hookup right there. And later on we'll go inside the garage also so you can see the garage floors painted. It's very nice. Okay, let's go over here first. Let's do the 2 bedrooms here. Bedroom number 1. Let's see. The floor has just been installed, so it's nice. And then over there you have your closet. Okay. Let's move to the other second bedroom. Okay, second bedroom has 2 closets. Okay. And also you have a view to the canal. Let me get closer so this video can pick it up. Check out the view you got outside this window. Nice, huh? Remember, for more description, go to the description below. Click full report and you get the full report with the price and everything else that talks about this home. If you have any questions, remember, feel free to always contact us at 239-410-7372. Like I always say in my videos, my wife and I have been selling real estate in Cape Coral, Fort Myers, Southwest Florida for over 20 years. So we can help you if you're looking for a home like this or any other type that you have in mind. New construction, whatever you need in Southwest Florida, we can try to find it for you. Okay, let's move on to the master bedroom. The master bedroom, you have a slider that leads you out to the pool. Stand over here so you can visualize the size. And that over there is the closet. So walk in. And over here is your bathroom. It's a shower. Your vanity with a sink there, right there. Okay, let me stand over here in the corner. Let's visualize the size. Okay, let's go over to the garage. If we finish the inside. Here's your laundry with your hookup that I told you about. And then out here is your double car garage. Over here, your sprinkler box, electrical box, your water heater, your shutters. Let me stand over here so you can see what a nice size. See? This garage is a little bigger than usual because sometimes it's almost the size of the door. This one they made a little bit bigger, so you know, like they have a shelf there, you can have a shelf on the side. Okay, and this This is the AC over here. 2.5 ton. Okay. Okay, now let's go. Let's keep going. Okay, now let's go outside. Okay. What I like is that you have a lot of space out here for like a barbecue, to put chairs. Let me move around here. See what I mean? Over here, that's the door that led to the master bedroom. And check out the waterfall. Very nice and relaxed to be out here. The pool looks like six feet deep. Nice size. Move back so you can see it. There you go. Over here has like a seat. There's your waterfall. And that's the view of the canal. Yeah, I guess a lot of you up north, probably outside is freezing. Well, I looked at the weather map today and I noticed that it's very cold up north. Actually, the hottest place right now in the continental United States, I think it's Florida right now. And right now in Southwest Florida, you're looking at 77 degrees, 78 degrees. And we're gonna be having a real good cold front, I think, coming tomorrow. So that'll bring our temperature probably to 70, 72, so that high. So they're saying that for Saturday, we might have the low 42 in the morning, and then it goes up to 70s, 70s, maybe high 60s in the afternoon, but after 1 or 2 more days, it's gone. We're back to the 70s again. So that's one of the nice things living in Florida. That's why everybody likes it here. So I'm sorry for all you guys that are up there, freezing. Yeah, but probably a lot of you are used to it. Please comment below what you think about. I'd like to hear your point of view. Well, tell me what you think about this house. If you have any questions, like I said before, go to the full report on the description. And there you find all the information on this property. I'm sorry I couldn't have it with me today, but I wanted really to make sure that you guys get to see the house as soon as I put it on the market. Because I have some other homes that people were interested in, and it took a couple of days, probably like 2 or 3 or 4 days to put her on the video on. And by the time I put the video on, like that day or the next day, I had a contract on it, and then everybody was calling on. So right now, what I'm trying to do is every time we get a listing, I'm going to try to put it at the same time putting the listing. I'm going to put the video, so that way you still have a chance of being able to purchase our homes. So right now, a Gulf Access home like this is kind of like it's kind of like a hard thing to find, So there's not too many listings out there. So you have to. A lot of people, they come as soon as they come out, they sell. So well, I hope you enjoy this beautiful video from Cape Coral, Southwest Cape Coral, this beautiful home. And remember, if you like to see more homes like this, new construction, I'm working on a new community that's coming out in Cape Coral. So stay tuned for that. If you're new to this channel, if you want to see a new community that's coming out of Cape Coral, hit the subscribe button, because I'm heading for it tomorrow. So I don't know where I'm going to put up the videos, but tomorrow I'm going to get all the information on it and see what they have available for me to film. So if you would like to see more new construction about Cape Coral, Fort Myers, and Southwest Florida, I'm also going to be going in all the areas in Southwest Florida, so you get to see a little bit of everything around this area. So feel free to hit that subscribe button. And sorry again for not being this winter with you guys. Took some time off there, so I hope I'm gonna make it up to you by putting a lot of nice videos, okay? So hope to you like this video and see you on the next one.